Hello Fanatics, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to do Acer Chromebook C720 LCD screen replacement. First thing that we will do is to remove all the screws attached to the base cover of the Chromebook. As we can see, there's a visible cracks and damages on the LCD screen. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the pry tool and remove the front bezel or the screen bezel of the LCD screen. As you can see now, we're going to use the pry tool to remove the screen bezel of your LCD screen. Then, next thing to do is to slowly remove the screen bezel from your laptop. And the next thing we do after removing the bezel is to remove all of the screws that is attached to the LCD screen. After we remove all of the screws, the next thing to do is to remove the display connector from the LCD screen. Once we detach the display connector from the LCD screen panel, we will be now using the new LCD screen for this laptop. As you can see, there are visible damages and cracks on this original screen. Going to install this screen to the laptop or the Chromebook by first attaching the display connector to the LCD panel of your new screen. Next is, we're going to fasten the screws to the LCD screen located on each side. After we place all of the screws on each side, we're going to put back the screen bezel and test the LCD if this is working. After we install the LCD screen, we will now power on and test the display for any defects for warranty purposes. Successfully installed and tested out our display from our Chromebook C720. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and subscribe to my channel Fumie. Thank you for watching.